By now, you should all have a pretty good idea of what these are and be able to match them to their descriptions.
Thank you.
All right, Colton, you have the microphone, thanks to Irene. So, you see anything on the board that you want to connect? If there's something you don't know what it is because I wrote it bad, my writing is bad, let me know. I will correct it. So if you see something that you want to connect, go ahead and read the description first and then the word.
The results or outcomes of an action.
The results or outcomes of an action.
Consequence.
Consequences. All right. Good one. Who's next? Who's got one? Grammy.
A calm and controlled state of mind. Composure.
Composure. A calm and controlled state of mind. All right, who's next?
Respect. A feeling of admiration or regard for someone.
Correct. A feeling of admiration or regard for someone. Yeah. Right. Who's got one?
Qualities that make up a person's personality, character.
Character. Qualities that make up a person's personality. Yeah. All right, we got one left. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? One left.
Arrogance.
Arrogance.
Thinking you are better than others.
Thinking you're better than others. Arrogance. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right. Yeah. All right, all right. Good one. Good one. Okay, so what we're doing next is we're going to make a sentence with the word, one word. One sentence, one word. Okay? And it please don't use this. Okay, wait. All right? Don't use this.
Respect. I'm very respect teacher.
Okay?
Okay. 是我吗? I'm very respect teacher.
Sorry, couldn't hear you.
I respect teacher very much.
You respect the teacher. That's good. It's appreciated. I hope I earned it. Because respect can only be earned. Do you understand? How do you get respect? You earn it. Okay? If somebody says, oh, nobody respects me, then they did not earn it. Do you understand? What's earning? What is earning? Earning. To earn respect. What does that mean? What does that mean? Anyone? Quick, quick, quick. We gotta move. We gotta move. To get. But how do you get it? How do you get respect?
You have to be respectful of the other people.
Exactly. Exactly. All right. Who's next? Quick.
Everyone has their own character.
Everyone has their own character. Yes.
The consequence of study hard is get a good grade.
The consequences of studying hard is getting good grades. Very good.
My character is a student.
Your
Character
character
is
is
a student.
a student. Your character is a student. Oh, so you think of like a character in a game or a movie? Because that's also a meaning of a character. Okay? But your character is not what you do. It's not my character. I cannot say my character is a teacher unless I'm playing a teacher in a game or a movie or I'm in a book. Then my character is a teacher. But your character could be your personality, who you are. Like, are you very energetic? Are you really laid back, chill? You know what I mean? So that would be your character, okay? Next.
My teacher is so good that I respect him.
All right, thank you. Maybe you're talking about another teacher, I don't know.
His arrogance made him difficult to work with others.
Exactly, his arrogance made him difficult to work with others. Very good. If you have not made a sentence in your head before it's your turn, do it now so you don't have to think about it when it's your turn.
I very respect him because he always got the good grades.
You respect him very much because he always gets good grades. Yes.
My character in school is student.
Your character in your character.
My character in the school is student.
Your character in school is student. No, I don't agree. So your character is not being smart or stupid or whatever. Your character would be that you're friendly or not friendly, or you are easy to get along with or not. You know what I mean? That's your character. It's not how smart you are. You could also say, I have this type of character, whatever that is. I have a playful character.
I have a responsible character.
There you go. Nice. Very good. I like it.
You have to make these choices carefully, or the consequence will be very serious.
Exactly. You have to make careful choices, or the consequences will be very serious. Very nice.
The accent is full of character. The accent is full of character.
The answer is
The I the island is full of character.
the island is full of characters. I see where you're going with this. Okay, yeah, you could say that. You know, some people are characters. Like, oh, that guy is a character. You know what I mean? You could say that. The island is full of characters. Yes, you could say that.
She had character as well as beauty. She had character as well as beauty.
She has character as well as duty.
Beauty.
Beauty. Good. I like it. Now, I see that character is very popular here, okay? So let's take another word. Characters out. Characters sold out, okay? No more character.
His arrogance get him a lot of trouble.
His character got him into a lot of trouble. Very good. You already went. Yeah. Pass it back. Thank you. So what we're doing is we're making sentences with these words. Are you familiar with any of them? And if you recognize any of the words, maybe you can make a sentence with it. I already deleted the descriptions. So if there's one that you know what it means, make a sentence.
I think we should respect to our teacher.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Respect everybody. Your teacher, your fellow students, and other people, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
No.
I like it. I like it. So we're going to get started. Enjoy your dinner.
刚会吃晚餐，我爱吃的下午茶。
有之前，对，
对，
对，
我现在不小心转太后了，
All right.
换时间，就是一件，然后就是第二件，然后三件时间。
有一些文字有一种那种，有一些文字有一种，
我超讨厌文字。你看我看小说看到睡着哎。超屌！我看小说看到睡着。
看书也会看到睡。
Okay, great. So this is what we're doing? Or not? Are we doing another one? When did we do this? Was this when I was gone?
Yes.
Oh, that's when I was gone. Okay. Oh yeah, because we did this last time. Yeah. All right. Great. No problem. I got you. All right, the ISS and the future of space. What does anybody here know about the International Space Station? International Space Station. Where is it? Who does it belong to? Don't know? You know? Okay. Well, we're going to find out. Here's a good question. Do you think governments should spend more or less money on space exploration? Who thinks they should spend more money on space exploration? Who thinks they should spend less money on space exploration? Okay. Who doesn't give a damn? Like, who doesn't care? Doesn't want to be here? Who doesn't even want to be awake? Right? All right. Do you think ordinary people will be able to travel to space within your lifetime? Ordinary people, not Elon Musk, not billionaires, but ordinary people. Who thinks they will? Yes? Who doesn't understand the question? Raise your hand. Who does not care? Okay. All right. And who does not believe that space exists? Everybody believes that space exists. Wow. Okay. Who thinks the Earth is flat? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, all right. Yeah, in English? In English? Let's have that conversation between you guys in English. Go ahead. Go ahead. I want to hear it. In English. Everything in English.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You can Google. Okay, and ask him to Google.
Microphone on. Microphone on.
On.
Yes. Let's have a discussion.
We need to Google.
Okay, Google it.
Age of Discovery.
这是什么烂翻译？
超烂的，
哎，干真的是。
What are you Googling? What are you Googling?
Age of Discovery.
Age of Discovery? And that's going to help you find out what?
The is round.
Earth is round. Okay. Yeah, somebody said that. The Earth is round, and now we believe it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Is there proof? If it...
They want to find when people understand that Earth
is round. Yes. Okay. And we all know if it's on the internet, it's true. Right? Everything that's on the internet is true. Right? No? Okay. All right. Continue. Let's talk about these things, right? Who can match some of these? Who can connect? Curtis? Curtis, grab one of these words and find the description. Yes. It can be any word. It does not have to be the first one. Yeah? I'm ready. I am ready.
Chunk. A piece, especially object of relationship.
A piece, especially of jagged or random shape. Yep, that sounds about right. Okay. Who's next?
Radiation. The emitting of electromagnetic energy such as light or heat.
Great.
Alien. Alien. A life form from another planet.
A life form from another planet. Alien. Okay. Colton.
Ray. A narrow string or radiation.
A ray. A narrow stream of radiation. It could also be a narrow stream of light, like the rays from the sun, which are radiation, but also light. Often light comes in the form of radiation. All right.
Bullet. The projectile from a gun.
A bullet, the projectile from a gun, right? And the last one,
Accumulation. A gradual gathering of something.
a gradual gathering of something, accumulation. Nice. All right. Let's go. We'll do 3 sentences. 3 sentences, yes.
The year 2015 marked a major milestone for the International Space Station, a record 15 years of continuous human presence in space. This is not an accomplishment to take for granted.
Accomplishment.
The station's age is a growing concern and has spurred some discussion of the eventual end of the ISS mission.
ISS's mission.
The U.S. and Russia have
Tentatively
tentatively agreed to continue their
cooperation
cooperation in operating the station, with Russia independently announcing plans to keep it running until at least
2024.
2024.
With
But-
Russia independently announcing plans to keep it running until at least 2024.
But at some point it will be necessary to retire the ISS. With the end inside the station's
Groundbreaking
groundbreaking research is all the more important as it will lay the foundation for the next stage of human exploration of space.
exploration of space.
Since 2011, the ISS has been home to the magnetic
Spectrometer.
spectrometer and
Experimental.
experimental device that supports research in high energy
Theoretical.
theoretical physics. The AMS is a tool that records the presence of cosmic
The presence of cosmic rays.
rays in its research from each
For such phenomena
phenomenon as antimatter and
hypothetical.
hypothetical dark matter. So far, it has recorded more than 60 billion
Manifestations
manifestation of cosmic energy.
Noble that rational thing of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology leads the physics assigned to interpret Atlantis findings.
Yeah. Let's stop it right there. We're going to go over the text a little bit before we carry on so that it doesn't get too complicated. All right. So, let's talk about some of these words here. Well, you have these in your book. Milestone and spurred. Somebody tell me what a milestone is. Somebody tell me what a milestone is. An important improvement, yes. Somebody tell me what an accomplishment is. Achieve something, yes. What does it mean to take something for granted? Anyone but Grammy. Anyone else? To take for granted.
Don't appreciate something.
Exactly. To not appreciate something. A concern. What's a concern? Yeah, but in this context, it means that they are worried about it. It's something they worried about. Okay? Tentatively. What does that mean? Tentatively. Temporarily. For now. Cooperation. Cooperation. Curtis. Huh? Was that English? Because I didn't hear it. Doing something together? Yep. Okay. Cooperation. Working together. Groundbreaking. Groundbreaking. What does that mean? Groundbreaking research.
Very new.
Yeah. Revolutionary. You know, something new. The foundation. The foundation. Laying the foundation. What does that mean? Yeah. This is the very beginning. The very beginning. The foundation is the most important part of any structure, okay? Every house, every building has a foundation. It's the bottom, it's what's in the ground. Experimental. What does that mean? Experimental. Experimental. Something that's being developed. It's being experimented on. The whole process is an experiment. It's not complete. Right? Cosmic. What's cosmic? It's in the book. Cosmic. Somebody tell me what cosmic is. Related to? Yeah, related to space, universe. Hypothetical. Hypothetical. Somebody else. Hypothetical. Winnie. Hypothetical. It's in the book.
Theoretical. Theoretical.
Hypothetical?
Proposed but not proven.
Proposed but not proven. Yeah. Manifestations. Somebody else. Vivian. Couldn't hear you. Motorcycle. I could hear a motorcycle, but not you. Okay? Something clearly? A sign that shows something clearly is it's manifesting itself, right? It's a manifestation. Yes, interpret. What does that mean? Interpret. Yeah. For example, if you speak Chinese and I speak English, I need an interpreter in between us, a translator. Okay? All right. Does anyone have any questions about this part of it? Because now that we know what everything means, does it make sense? Does it make sense? The brink, on the brink. Yes. Very beginning. The very beginning. All right, let's go. Who's next reading?
Thing believes that thanks to AMS data, his team is on the brink of identifying the organs of dark matter.
The origins.
Origins of dark matter. Cosmic radiation can also be dangerous to humans in space. A better understanding of this radiation will be needed before astronauts may safely travel to destinations further or out into the universe like Mars. The ISS is the ideal place for developing the technology to support a mission to Mars, the planning for which is already underway. One of the greatest challenges facing such mission in the
Unknown?
unknown effects of long-term space flight on the human body.
In 2015, astronaut Scott Kelly of NASA and Russian cosmonaut Mikhail
Yeah.
Mikhail
Kornienko.
began a 1-year stay abroad the ISS.
Aboard.
Aboard the ISS. Very few humans have spent such a long time in space, so this is an important opportunity for discovery. We know a lot about 6 months, says NASA scientist Julie Robinson.
Okay, we're gonna cut it right there because I want to cover some things. All right. So astronauts. Underway. Yeah, those two. Astronauts. Everybody knows what an astronaut is, I hope. Does anyone not know what an astronaut is? I'm sure you wouldn't tell me if you didn't know, because that seems to be what everybody does. Everything okay? So yeah, astronaut, we know what that means? Somebody tell me what it means. Microphone. A person
working in the space.
Yeah, a person that flies to space, that's their job. They're doing that that's their daily thing. Underway, somebody read underway. You can read it since you have the microphone. Underway. Underway. It's in the book.
所以是哪？他问我 underway 是什么
Underway.
In progress.
In progress, yes. It's happening. It's happening right now. Okay. It's happening. Let's go. Let's do it.
But we know almost nothing about what happens between 6 and 12 months in space. Koryenko and Kelly will be closely monitored for changes to their eyesight, hearing, and metabolism. Their year in the station will provide ample opportunities to refine the skills that will be needed by the astronauts who someday venture beyond Earth's orbit. 等一下哦，OK，
In addition to helping explore the universe beyond our planet, the ISS also has important work to do closer to home. Some scientists have proposed equipping the station with a powerful laser not for blasting
Asteroids.
Or hostile aliens.
Hostile aliens.
Hostile aliens, but for removing space trash and accumulation of as much as 3,000 tons of junk is already in Earth orbit. Some traveling at speeds over
20,000
miles per hour, over 10 times faster than the average bullet.
Okay, great. So right now, go over it again. Bullets. Ample. Somebody read ample? You can read it. What is ample?
More than enough.
More than enough. More than enough opportunities. Venture. What is a venture? What is a venture?
Explore.
Yeah. A journey. We're on a expedition, a venture. Proposed. Proposed. Some scientists have proposed equipping the station with a powerful laser. Proposed. What does that mean? Huh? To advise. Yeah, that's good. Accumulation and asteroids. Who's got the asteroids? You got a microphone, so go ahead. Asteroids.
Any of the thousands of rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, especially between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter.
Yeah, and then accumulation, who's got that? Accumulation. It's piled up. Okay, here we're talking about junk, which is basically garbage, trash, lassa, right? In space is big amounts of trash. Accumulation, it's piling up, right? All right, let's go. Keep it moving.
As accurately dramatized in the 2013 movie Gravity.
Dramatized.
Dramatized. Collisions with even tiny chunk of space trash can cause a serious danger to satellite, the ISS itself, and other spacecraft. Telescopes on the station could detect tiny pieces of debris in orbit.
Debris. Debris.
Debris in orbit and target a laser to deflect the currents of the junk down into the atmosphere, where it would burn up. Japanese researchers plan to test such a system on the ISS.
We may finally have a way to stop the headache of rapidly growing space debris that endangers space activities. Project leader.
That's a Japanese name, so Toshikazu Ebisuzaki. You don't have to do it perfectly. I probably screwed it up too.
Through the exploration of space will surely continues, whether in low Earth orbit or beyond. The next step for space stations is hard to predict. One question many observers have posed is whether the next ISS will be operated by government alone or will involve private companies.
has already launched rockets to bring supplies to the ISS, and it is designing reusable vehicles for private travel into space. A private space station might serve tourists along with scientists and astronauts, as well as provide funding for continued research. In any case, for the near future, the ISS will remain an important player in space exploration.
Yeah, good one. Dramatized. Who's got dramatized? Dramatized. Okay, so dramatized in the movie, accurately dramatized in the movie, meaning it was enacted as in a dramatic way. It was played by actors in a dramatic way. What does that mean? Dramatic. Dramatic. Huh? Dramatic. Dramatic means, what does drama mean? Drama. Huh? Okay, yeah, a play can be a drama, but a drama is usually a certain type of, a category of movie, play. It's dramatic, so it means usually it's showing a real event that's being made very serious. Like, let's say somebody is playing the part of a murderer, or somebody is climbing a mountain and they fall off. That's dramatic, right? Somebody is traveling into space. That's dramatic, right? Collisions. What are collisions? Hit something? Well, yeah, crash. Like a car crash. That's a collision, right? An asteroid hitting a planet. That's a collision. A spaceship hitting an asteroid. That's a collision. A scooter hitting a person, that's a collision. But me hitting the wall, that's not a collision. That is not a collision. Telescopes. Telescopes.
equipment to see the sky.
Yes, very good. Optical equipment to see very far away, right? Detect. Detect. To detect something.
To
Identify. Yes, detect. If I was a detective, I would detect whether somebody is lying. If I was a if I was a police officer, I could detect whether somebody was being suspicious. I could finding, detecting. The station, the telescopes on the station could find tiny pieces of debris. Orbit.
I don't know.
Well, you are talking. So if you talk, you have to talk in the microphone.
What is orbit?
He was talking to. Yeah, this. What is that? What is that?
Orbit.
Yeah, but what is it? In other words?
Let me think about.
Yes, moving around something, right? Planets, going around other planets, stars. Deflect, to deflect. What is to deflect? To deflect. To deflect.
To cause something that is moving to change direction.
Exactly. If somebody throws something at me, like a rock, and I hit it, and it flies that way, I have deflected the rock. Okay, predict. To predict. To predict, what is that?
Know something before then.
Yeah, to know something in advance before it happens. For example, I predicted that Bitcoin was going to go over $100,000 last month. I knew that. I also knew that as soon as it was going to 105, it was going to go back to 90. Right? I predicted that. But that's easy because that's just what's going to happen. Observers. 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 Many observers. One question many observers have posed. Observers. I observed many people talking in Chinese during the English class. What? Huh? Tai? What does that mean? Oh, it wasn't Chinese? It was Taiwanese? Is that what you're saying? Okay. Okay. Well, it wasn't English. So, observers?
To see.
To see, yeah. People who saw. They were watching. Okay? The observers have posed, Winnie. The observers have posed.
Cause.
One question. Many observers have posed. Question? Posed. I posed the question.
Point or cause.
What usually happens with a question?
Answer.
Yeah, but before that happens,
Think.
if I pose the question to you, what am I doing? You're answering the question, what am I doing? I'm posing the question. Give me another word for posing.
Ask.
Ask. I ask the question. Exactly. Pose is ask. All right, launched. SpaceX launched rockets. Launched. What do they do with those rockets? They throw them with their hands? Is Elon Musk sitting in the backyard throwing rockets? No. Land? No, that happens much later. First, the rockets are launched, and then later, they land. All right? Okay? So what happens when they launch the rockets? How does that happen? They put it somewhere and then they... What happens with a rocket before it goes up? Fire, shoot, right? Okay. But you can also launch a rock or this bottle. If I grab this bottle and I throw it, I launch the rock, the bottle. Okay? And reusable. What's reusable? Well, obviously, but give me more information. Yeah. I went to the 7-Eleven and I brought my reusable cup. What does that mean? Yeah, I can use it again. I can go again tomorrow with the same cup after I reuse it. Funding. Raising money. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? No questions. Okay, no questions. That's good. That means everybody understands everything. I love it. My job is done. My job is done. Let's go. True or false? True or false?
The ISS reached.
The ISS reached an important anniversary in 2015.
So funny.
True.
Why is that so funny? Yeah? An important anniversary in 2015. What happened? Tell me more. What happened in 2015? What was so important?
The year 2015 marked a major milestone for the International Space Station.
Excellent. Very good. Nice. True. Okay, next. Next.
The United States has renewed its commitment to the ISS until 2024. True.
Where did you see that? Where did you see it?
I just got the answer.
Huh? You just
I
guessed?
Yes.
Okay, but that's not good enough. You know you're going to have to find it. Go ahead and find it. Read the sentence where that happened. We will give you some time and then we'll come back to you, okay?
The sentence is in 6 and 7.
Okay, go ahead and read it. We're here to read.
With Russia independently announcing plan to keep it running until at least 2024.
That's Russia. You're talking about Russia now. What about the U.S.? We're talking about the United States. United States. Huh? It's the sentence. It's that sentence, but you only read the last part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence, that's where the answer is.
The
I know, it's so
US
tiring.
and Russia had tentatively agreed to continue their cooperation
Cooperation, yeah.
cooperation in operating the station.
Yeah, that's correct. So listen. The United States has renewed its commitment. That's correct. Doesn't say about Russia, but yeah, they were part of that. What does that mean tentatively? Tentatively. Tentatively. What does that mean? Tentatively means temporarily, right? Temporarily. Good one. Good job. Next one, Winnie.
Samuel Ting has received a Nobel Prize.
Where did you find that?
False.
Where did you see that?
Line 14.
Okay, go ahead and read it.
Nobel laureate Samuel Ting.
Yes, Nobel laureate. A laureate, it means that they got the Nobel Prize. Very good. Excellent. Nice. Next one.
Scott Kelly and
Mikhail Kornienko. Kornienko.
are both NASA astronauts.
Yes, where did you see that?
False. Astronaut Scott Kelly of NASA and Russian cosmonauts.
Yeah, so one is an astronaut, the other one's a cosmonaut,
Yes.
right? So in theory, this is false. However, astronaut and cosmonaut is the same thing, really. But yeah, for this purpose, it's false. Good.
The ISS is not equipped with a laser for deflecting space junk. False.
False? Where did you see that?
The scientists have proposed equipping the station with a powerful laser.
Exactly. So that hasn't happened yet, right? Good one. Nice. Good job. All right. Here we go. Let's rock and roll.
What is the main purpose of the reading?
What's the main purpose of this reading? To keep you guys awake.
To provide an overview of the present status of the ISS.
The present status of the ISS. That's correct.
Thank you.
That's correct. Next one. Curtis.
Part of the ANS mission is to gather data about the origin of dark matter.
Where did you find that?
Singh believes that sent to ANS data, his team is on the breaking of identifying the origin of dark matter.
I was having trouble understanding you, but
他说他有问题，他理解你问题，他有理解。
I heard dark matter, but that's all I heard really. But can you do it again, please?
Ting believes that sent to ANS data, his team is on the brink of identifying the origins of dark matter.
That's correct. Thank you. All right.
In paragraph 3, the word which refers to mission.
Yeah. Okay. Nice one. Paragraph 3, the word which refers to,
Mission.
mission. Yep, correct.
According to paragraph 5, private companies might all of the above.
Thank you. Okay. I'm sorry, go ahead, say it again. According to paragraph 5, private companies might
All of the above.
provide money for future research, help run the next ISS, bring tourists into space. Yeah, I believe so, yeah. Sounds about right. Let's take a little break here. Let's take a little break. All right. Let's go.
What is the main cause for concern about the ISS? The age of the ISS.
What was it?
The age.
The age of the ISS. Where did you find that?
The station's age is a growing concern and has spurred some discussion of the
Great.
inventor.
Good job. All right, the next one.
Why is the large amount of space trash in Earth's orbit a serious problem?
Yeah, why? Why do we care?
Collisions with even tiny chunks of space trash can cause a serious dangerous to sterilize the ISS itself and other spacecraft.
Yeah, that's good. Exactly. All right, let's do this.
Searching for data on antimatter, dark matter, etc.
Searching for data on
Antimatter,
antimatter.
dark matter, etc.
Yeah. Okay. AMS does that, yes. Okay, next one.
Could expand our understanding of the origins of the universe.
Yeah.
Study will increase knowledge of effect of 6 to 12 months in space.
What?
Study will increase knowledge of effect of 6 to 12 months in space.
Okay. We'll monitor.
Will monitor eyesight, hearing,
Metabolism. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
NASA researchers want to equip ISS with a laser system.
A laser system, yeah. Yep.
The apparatus could be used to make orbiting Earth safer.
Yeah, the apparatus. Very good. All right. Vocabulary. Let's do it. Vocabulary. Let's go. Vivian.
Marking on a bullet can help investigators identify the weapon that fired it.
Yeah, why is that so funny? Why is that funny? Why is that funny? I'm just curious. Yeah, so here's what actually happens. Here's what happens, right? Every gun has a signature. Every gun has a signature. So just like people have fingerprints, right? guns, they are made by machines, but none of them are exactly the same. Because when the hammer hits the end of the bullet, that causes an explosion. The hammer, this is a hammer. This is a hammer. Okay? So, this is the bullet. Inside the chamber, the hammer hits the bullet, and an explosion happens, and the bullet flies out, right? When that hammer hits this bullet, it hits it in a certain way, and it leaves a little mark. That little mark is what detectives use to figure out which gun fired that bullet. That's what they're talking about here. Okay? All right. Let's go.
In movies, aliens are often portrayed as frightening creatures that resemble insects or reptiles.
Yes. Let's go. Meteorites.
Meteorites are small chunks of asteroids or comets that make it all the way to Earth's surface.
Yeah. So here's something that happens, right? So when this is Earth, right? And then in space, there are comets. Tell us more. I want to hear it. What's going on? Tell us everything. Tell me the story. Actually, why don't you tell us what meteorites are based on this drawing? Actually, come up here and draw it for me. Come.
I can.
You're the teacher now. You're the teacher. You are the teacher. Yeah. So Vivian's going to tell us what meteorites are. Meteorites, based on what we just read. Right? Okay, no, maybe not. All right. So comets and asteroids are flying through the sky. Right? And when they enter our atmosphere, they explode. Right? And little pieces fall. Some of them will hit nothing, but some of them will hit Earth. And when they do, they go into the Earth's surface, and sometimes we will find rocks that, when we examine the rocks, we find out they're not from Earth. They're from another planet. That's what we call meteorites. And there's certain museums that have them. Some people sell them. You can find them on, maybe on Shopee. Yeah, maybe on Shopee. All right, let's go. Next one. Next one.
though some still worry about the health risk of radiation from cell phones. No evidence has been found that it is dangerous.
Yeah. Tell us more about that. Tell us something about that. What do you know about that? What do you know about radiations in cell phones? Do you know anything about it?
4G and 5G.
Yeah. So, some people don't want to have the phone next to their ear, right? Because the radiation can go into your head. So the people like to put the phone on speaker so they can listen that way. Also, some people say that when you put ear pods in your ear, there is radiation, right, from the Bluetooth. That's what we're talking about here. Some people say when you put your phone in your pocket, like I did, it will affect your production, okay? The sperm production. So this is, for me, this is, that's why I don't have any kids. Okay, next one.
A single ray of light that enters a small hole in dark room will produce an image of what is directly outside.
A single ray of light that enters a small hole in a dark room will produce an image of what it is directly outside. That's really interesting. Yeah.
If you do not clean your fish tank regularly, the accumulation of waste will make the water poisonous.
All right. Good one. Very nice. All right, we have 15 minutes. Okay. All right. So everybody in the front row, turn around. No. Okay, so we're going to talk about aliens. Is that you, Curtis? Yeah, it looks like you. Take off your glasses. Let me take another look. Take off your glasses. Looks like Curtis. Okay, so we're going to talk about aliens. All right. So, group of three, group of three, group of three, And this is a group of 4. But, Curtis is really not, he's really not cooperating all that much. So, right? No, you're good. You're good. Just, I couldn't split you up any other way, but that's how it's working. So 4, 3, 3, 3. Okay? So what we're going to do is, I want to go quick, but it's going to be difficult because we have 4 groups. But you're going to talk about aliens. I don't want to hear Chinese, Taiwanese, Mandarin. I don't want to hear it. Like, I really don't. It's interesting, but I don't want to hear it because this is an English class. Okay, so also what I don't want is the same sentences being used over and over again. Okay? We're going to start on this side. Aliens. So, you're going to be, you're together. Each one of you has to contribute to the discussion. Okay? Doesn't matter who starts. Somebody ask a question or say something, then the other person responds. I want two things to come out of your mouth per session. Let's go. Everybody else, don't say anything. Everybody else, you have to observe. Observe. Let's go.
Do you believe in aliens?
Wait, the microphone? Use the microphone, please. Observe. Do not speak.
Do you believe in aliens?
Do you believe in aliens? Okay. Somebody respond.
Yes, I do.
I think there is some life living on other planet, but very far away.
Okay.
No, because I don't see real aliens on the Earth.
Finish.
2. 2 each. 2 each.
One people, 2 questions.
Yeah.
When you see an alien on Earth, what will you do? And what will you do with them?
How will you do what?
How will you
React?
yes, how will you react?
Yeah. How will you react?
I will say hello to Lynn.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. Last one. Last one. You? Last.
I will have a lunch or dinner with them.
Yes. Good one. Nice. Okay. This group. This group's next.
不知道，那我们就可以先抢别走。
Only English. Unless you like to do like a lot of push-ups, only English.
How many? Yeah. Do you think aliens really exist?
Yeah. No. Because I don't believe it.
No, because I don't believe in aliens. Okay.
Do you think we will fight with the alien?
Do you think we will fight with the aliens? In English? In English? In English.
I think. I think yes.
I think yes, what? I think yes.
I think yes because
Come on. Come on.
我现在脑袋有点空白。
Next.
Do I have to answer her question?
Just continue the conversation any way you can.
Okay.
As long as it's about aliens.
What do you think the alien will? What do you think the alien do like?
What do you think the alien looked like?
Look like.
Yeah. What do you think?
Like a monster.
Like a monster. Put it in a sentence.
I think alien look like monster.
You think aliens look like monsters? Yeah. Vivian.
Look like Shirley.
Like jelly?
Look like Shirley.
You think aliens look like jelly? Jelly?
Yeah.
Curtis, what do you think aliens look like?
Look like ghost.
Aliens, you think aliens look like ghosts?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This group. Quick. We have 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Make it happen. Make it happen.
我先问你们。
Quick. Somebody.
Could alien civilization be more advanced than humans?
What is that, ChatGPT?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. What was the question though? Can you tell me the question again?
Could alien civilization be more advanced than humans?
Could alien civilization be more advanced than humans?
Yes, I think aliens
You think aliens are smarter than humans, okay?
I think it depends on the aliens planet. If the aliens planet is more ancient than Earth, then I think so.
It depends on
The
which planet it is.
the planet's
If
ages.
The age of the planet, okay. If the planet is older, it would be more advanced? Yeah. Okay. Quick. Quick. 5 minutes. Five minutes. Four minutes. Pass the microphone to the next team.
Which planet do you think aliens live?
Which planet do you think aliens live on?
Wait.
I think they live in Venus.
Venus?
Venus.
Oh,
yes.
okay. Venus. All right. Yeah, you're part of the team.
I think aliens live in Mars.
You think aliens live on Mars, okay? Hey, Jets.
How do you think aliens move planet by planet?
Ah, that's an interesting question.
They may take their spaceship.
They use a spaceship, yes. Maybe.
Maybe they can fly.
Maybe they can fly. Yes. Pass the microphone to this team. To finish up, you have 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Do you think aliens will govern the Earth?
Do you think aliens will govern the earth?
No.
What does govern mean?
Control.
Control, yes. And why do you think they won't? You have 2 minutes. Why do you think they won't control the earth? Why do you think aliens will not control the earth?
Because
I can't hear you.
the human is smarter than aliens.
Oh, you think so? Okay. Aliens are smarter than humans. Humans are smarter than aliens. We have 1 minute. 1 minute. Last sentence. Last question. Aliens. We're not going yet. We got one more. We got one more. We got one more. 8 o'clock. Go home. See you guys next time. ba.